Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to teach you about type conversion. So in the first tutorial, I taught you about how to declare variables, a few of the types of variables that you can see in JavaScript, and even showed you how to use the eval. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to convert one variable type to another. Say for example, we have let I am a let's say for example hello world, right? So or wait, for example age, bad example, 1. So we used eval on the past video to change it to 1, but another way of doing it is saying age is equals to number age. This means we are going to change the type of age, which is a string, into an object that represents any number of a kind. So it's going to convert the value to a number. So from the age, which is 1, it's going to show it as 1. So console.log age. Age now would be a number. So whenever we refresh that, there you can see and now when we refresh that, so you can see here that the value is 1 whenever we refresh it. So this means that the value now of age is not a string which is 1, but a number 1. If you're wondering how to get, let's say for example, I wanted to know what kind or what type of variable age is, you can do this. Console.log type of age, because whenever you use Visual Studio Code, it tells you what this is. So let age is string, so type of, so age. So it's going to show you the type of age, what variable type that is. So whenever we refresh it, you can see that it's a string. Now let's do that. Age is equals to number age, and now console.log type of age. We're going to copy that way we did there and then refresh it. So from string to a number. Now it goes the same for a variable. Let's say let age is 1, string age, string age, and then console.log age, and then console.log type of age. So we are changing the variable age, which the type is a number, to a string. So using the same way how we did with the with the number. So we're going to format the age, which is a variable type of a number, to a string, and then we're going to show it on screen what's the new value of the converted age from a number to a string, and then what type it is. So whenever we refresh it, the value is 1 and it's a string. So as you can see, like what I said in my first video, when it's a string, it's going to show you this type of a text, right? So 1. So it goes the same for the other types. So say for example let is running true, right? Is running equals boolean is running, console.log is running. So we're going to wait, let me just copy this here so it shows us the difference of both when converted. So refresh, there, from a string to a boolean value. So whenever we use is running now, it becomes a boolean. So whenever we use it, it's to be used in conditional statements. So that's how you convert most of the time. So I hope you learned something from this tutorial, and thank you very much for watching. Until next time, and happy JavaScript learning.